I'm going to be showing you guys how to differentiate and find the gradient. So this is for advanced students. To differentiate this, what you do is you take this indice and multiply it by the coefficient of x. So we get 2x. And then after that, we subtract 1 from the indice. We do the same thing here. We take the indice value here, which is 1, and then multiply it by the coefficient of x, which is 8, and we get 8. Then we subtract 1 from the indice here, and so this is x to the power of minus 1. Everything is always raised to the power of 1, but we just don't write it in because we know that. So x to the power of 1, if you subtract 1, you get x to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is always 1. And then 8 times 1 gives us 8. So now this is the differential of this equation. And we know 2x is always raised to the power of 1, as is everything. And I've already drawn the graph here. So we can find the gradient at any point on this graph. So if we take the value of minus 2, we can find the gradient of this curve at the point minus 2, 0. So what you do is you take the x value and you substitute it into the equation. Notice how we took the x value and substituted it in for the x value on the differentiated version. So the gradient here will be 4. And we can take any x value on the x-axis, substitute it in here and find the gradient at that point. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to find the gradient between 2 points. So for example, we have this coordinate here, minus 4 and minus 4, and this is the point on the graph over here. And we can take this point here. We can take any 2 points on this curve and find the average gradient of that curve. So, to find the average gradient between these 2 points, what we do is we do dy over dx. dy over dx stands for the difference in the y values divided by the difference in the x values. So, we have the two y values here, which is 0 and minus 4. So what we do is we take the one coordinate and subtract it from the other coordinate. So we give priority to one coordinate, and I'm going to pick this one. So I write 0 minus, we always put a minus sign, and then we take this value here, minus 4. And remember, we substitute using brackets all the time. So then we take the x value. Remember, this coordinate was given priority, so we take the minus 2 in brackets as always. It really helps. Then we put a minus sign, and we take this coordinate. And if we substitute it in with brackets, we get that. So 0 minus 4 gives us 4. Remember, 2 minuses make a positive. This will give us 2. The gradient will be 2. So, and there you go.